Hi, it's Giselle. I haven't done a video in a few days, but here I am. I spoke about finding new kind of insects to do for patio doors and windows. So I've created this adorable little ladybug. And although patio door season is coming to its end, this project, this little ladybug, can be used as well for just your windows, and you can I'll show you how to convert it into a fridge magnet, which is pretty cute. She will come accompanied with this kind of leaf in my project. The leaves I just purchased at Dollarama in this case, but they're sold anywhere. It's sort of a plasticky, and I wanted really to use a natural fiber because I like natural fibers, but it's really hard to find exactly the same size so that you can have the backing on both sides. So I went with this one because it's pretty realistic. The materials that you'll need are not very expensive. It's just wire, beads, paint, and that's it. So um, I'm looking forward to showing you this project, and I hope you're looking forward to seeing how it all works out. So should be in a few days that I'll upload this. So for now, Giselle signing out from my craft room. Me and my ladybug will return soon. Bye now.